So I had a pretty rude comment on one of my shorts. The guy said, "I'm obviously not an artist if I don't understand the concept that I was talking about," which I was talking about AI art. Whatever, he's right. But then out of nowhere, he adds at the end, he says, "Oh, and that haircut doesn't suit you." Hair shaming me out of nowhere. Part of me was like, "You think I'm ugly?" Like, or whatever. "You think my hair looks stupid?" But then I started thinking about it. I was like, so is he actively thinking of a haircut that would suit me? Because now I want to know, what was he thinking? What kind of haircut? Did he think I should have a mohawk? He obviously had an idea. Like, I see your face, I see your head shape, and that haircut is not what I would have chosen for you. I apologize to him for my ignorance and my appearance. You should use AI art to generate some hair stuff. And I'm gonna just Photoshop them all over my head. I'm gonna send it to him. I'm gonna be like, all right, choose. They did a study where they wanted to test, like, what's the healthiest alcohol? So the test had gin, vodka, whiskey, rum. They ran it through a few types of tests. Caloric count, and they did, sugar content, the whole nutritional portion. But then they also did this test where they took big ice cubes that were covered in bacteria, and they put in a little glass, and then they poured the alcohol over the ice cube, and they left it. And then when they came back the next day, they tested the amount of bacteria that was left in the cup. What ended up happening is all the liquors had basically the same amount of bacteria left, except for whiskey. The whiskey actually killed all the bacteria. They noted about 1,000 other things why whiskey's really good for you. So it's really good for me. This is why I'll live forever, and you'll all die because you're drinking vodka. This is Orbem. Orbem Explorer. This is the video game. So this is based off of my book series. You can check out the series. Orbem is book 1, Miropelia is book 2, and I'm working on book 3 right now. It's a sci-fi fantasy crossover novel. A lot of hard science, a lot of explanation, scientific stuff, a lot of programming stuff. But then it's in a fantasy universe, so you get elves, you get magic, you get every animal humanoid that you could want. And I'm making the video game based off of the story. So I have a basis for the entire video game. I have my universe to use, which is cool. All right, but what are we doing? Let's start game deving, huh? But a skill to be able to learn a language is the best skill in the world. Being able to just pick up languages, APIs, programs, UIs, like quickly, you're gonna be fine. That's really cool. You're just learning everything you need to it's great to do until you need to make money. Then stop branching out. Stop learning everything. When you need to make money, you need to start only focusing on what makes you money, because that's what you need to really hone in on skill wise. And then your little side projects, you can learn whatever you want for fun, but if you're gonna put time and focus into, hey, don't worry, you're not the only nerd here. Whoa. Don't be throwing the N-word around like that. Definitely not a nerd. Are you kidding me? I'm barely a dork. Yeah, I like the new iteration on the word nerd. Nerd it's such a compliment these days. It's crazy. 80s movies, maybe? That was the most, Revenge of the Nerd style. That has to be the most defamation version of nerd. And even then, man, that dude's cool. He's usually hacking into stuff or something like that. Well, you're telling me that being a big jerk and playing football isn't the coolest thing in the world? Weird. Though now nerds suck, you know what I mean? Because everybody's oh, I'm a nerd. And they're Instagram model and they watch anime, so now they're a nerd. I guess there's a spectrum of nerds, but to me, a nerd has to have a juxtapose, right? You have to have a non-nerd calling you a nerd to be a nerd. You can't just have a bunch of nerds calling themselves nerds. Then it's everybody's just normal then. So everyone's a nerd, that means no one's a nerd. Come on down to WordPress Town and hang out with good old Orbem Order and his scotch. You know what we do here. We party. Macs are good. They're just solid. They're kind of just like dependable more than anything. I mean, if you want control over your system at all, don't get a Mac. If you want to an overclock and go beyond the capabilities of a normal computer, don't get a Mac. It is what it is. It's as is, you know what I mean? It's just, all the companies I've worked for, they just provide a MacBook Pro when you start working for them, so you kind of get used to it. When I was doing my freelance days and when I had to provide my own machines, I always had a PC laptop, or I never wanted to shell out for the money. Now it's very important. It allows me to trimulcast, 3 different places at the same time. Linux, I've never used Linux, honestly. I know a lot of people do, and a lot of people like it. Especially with, it's come a long way. I've never learned or done anything that I wasn't getting paid for. There's only so much time in the world, so much time in your life. I'll be honest, I was working for my first real job where I was post-production coordinator. I was doing like high volume photo retouching, and I was driving an hour there and back. I was stuck in traffic all the time, and I got a motorcycle, and even that wasn't that great. I'd get there quicker and stuff, but the work was just so stale, and I wanted to be a web developer. And I got in a motorcycle accident, crushed my foot, ended up having to go to the hospital, and I was in the hospital for a week. Other than when they were trying to reset the bones and stuff, it was probably the best experience I had in a while. Just laying in bed for a week, people bringing me food, just knowing that I had the ultimate excuse to not work and like reset. I felt like this is great. Like, I need this break. And I knew I wasn't going to get it unless it was forced on me, because I never took time off or vacations. I'm still that way. It's really hard for me to take time off. It's harder on me. If you're really worried about, your interactions online, get a VPN and then say you're coming from the UK, because every website, I'm a website programmer, I know this. Every website has super strict GDPR rules now. And we try to have the least amount of restrictions on the cookies that we can run, the scripts we can run. So any edge, any inch that we can get to like add another script on the page or add another cookie, we'll do it, because it's better for marketing purposes. It's better for dynamic content, that kind of stuff. I mean, it's not really like nefarious, but if you want to be safe, GDPR makes it almost impossible for websites to track anything without explicit consent. That's the difference. GDPR rules, they require you to opt in, whereas California and all these other laws, they require you to opt out. But on first load, you're getting tracked, right? All right, let's see if you can guess the song with screaming instead of singing. Did you get it? Graham, the main character, invents personal wormhole transportation. It's attached to his watch. I mean, he created a watch holster for his device. And eventually it's embedded in his mechanical arm. I have an affinity for mechanical arms, as you can see. I always loved them. I think I got ruined by Full Metal Alchemist when I was a kid. And then every time I see mechanical arms, I'm just like, why not me? And I know that's stupid because I don't want to lose my arm yet. I've seen some pretty crazy prosthesis. We're not far off from me, what the hell, cutting my arm off. So, hey everybody, is there no sound to this video? Well, hey. Yeah, super confused. Why is there no sound?
Yeah, Game Doodle told me about JavaScript-based audio frequencies, and like it clicked in my head. I'm like, oh my god, I want to do like dynamic talking, change the frequencies based off of the word length,
for some reason the
give it
video
some sort of quirky talking
but
mechanics.
now it's not even
That's what I
playing
did.
sound. Which I see sound. Media source.
I like it.
Oh, maybe because... Oh, okay. I don't have the monitor
that's
on.
the old talking. What I changed was I added distortion using this Create Wave Shaper.
Their sound?
Like
okay. It was just me. I couldn't hear it in my ear. Yeah, I forget that that's possible.
Now it sounds just like 8-bit.
All right.
You've only lucid dreamed twice.
Let's
Once
go.
when you were, like, 4. Honestly, I've had lucid dreams.
Well, hello, everybody. It is I, Orbem Order, Saturday streamer. How quaint. Ooh, that's exciting. Well, speaking of needing money, let us debut the newest metal cover. As much as I'm, you know, not super into it, I did it. Let's go. So we're adding this to the stream playlist. There's no way around it. It exists. Here we go. This is the newest metal cover requested by that Dak dude. And enjoy. It's my best work. By far. It was a lot of fun to listen to. It's a pretty awesome song. Look, everybody likes it. You can't hear it? Oh. My bad. We gotta go back then. Alright, now we're just having sound issues. No audio. Okay. What is going on, dude? Shit has been going crazy on this. Where is it? No, not that one. Where is my audio capture? Should be music. No, not the heads. Huh. Yeah, there's nothing coming out of the music. Let's see, let's try again. Oh, there we go. What? Hot sauce? Well, maybe this song will help you. Enjoy. Can we hear it now? Or is it just me dancing to nothing again? Oh yeah. This is great. Just me dancing to nothing. You wanted this deck, dude. I hope it says enjoy what you thought. To skip this song. That's good. Good joke. Yeah, no, it was. It was a fun song. I could have sang it, you know, along with the song, but yeah. It just seems like it was a silly song, so might as well have just straight up screams the whole time. Alright, let's say goodbye to the heads. Oops. The song goes hard. Come on. You can't beat it. It grows on you. You know you love it now. God, it's so long. I kept seeing it keep going. I'm like, oh my god. Well, we can't get rid of the due date and then auto cover it until this one's and then there'll be another one. The 20-minute stuff on my face. People hate when I do Rush. I can't do it. I'm legally not able to anymore. Alright, that's it. We got rid of the metal cover, due date, and we are back to background music volume. What? What is this?
We're SiteGround, experts at managed WordPress.
Bring me to life.
We make WordPress site management.
I already did that.
With automatic WordPress launch, transfer, and updates. On top.
Oh, this is good. Should I redo a full cover, but do it to this one? The next song will be a Rush song. Oh no. I've actually watched this already. It's really good. That's why I watched it. Oh yeah. Here's a little sneak preview of the next tutorial. In case you're wondering, I'm hungry. Yum, 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 yum. And look, false. Cookie. True. No context needed. Well, what? Why is that so small? Oh. That's why it's so small. Alright. Did you miss your toilet because you're watching the stream? It is pretty much a very entertaining thing to watch, so I understand. Hey! Kuzo's here. What up, bud? What's the link to your Bring Me to Life Orbem cover? Oh, it was one of the shorts, remember? I said, this song needs some screams, and then I did some screams. I didn't do a full cover of it. I just replaced all the... a whole, like a 60-second portion of the guy who can't scream with actual screams. Yeah, yeah. Hey, but you can make that one of your songs. It's not a bad song. I could do a full cover. I would do the singing too. It'd be a little bit more fun. Alright, let us close shop. Oops. Force quit. Don't send. Let's close shop. Alright, let's close this as well. Perfect. Alright, let's do this so we can get back to where we need to be. And pop, 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 pop. We did it. Nice. You're gonna get an automaton, and you're gonna make a channel point spot for my Discord. Oh, where you just play the automaton every time. Can you make another fatal security flaw on your website so you can report it, so you can fix it? Yeah, I'll try. I'll do my best. Though I don't push code to my site anymore, you know, the production site. Other than the stream avatars, which is being temperamental. Let's restart. Should have a full house of avatars now. Come on. You're gonna do a automaton cover of the song is gonna be one of the rewards. Ah, there we go. You have to pay extra for the music video. Yeah. It's a lot of work, man. Just recording little covers. Because, you know, I'm not just gonna put out like a completely tragic recording with no editing at all, you know. I could just do it live in the camera and then call it a day, but I like putting it on the Cover Them All channel because people have been getting kind of mad at my videos. Someone just, on the Tom Sawyer video, someone literally, the comment all said was, asshole. They just called me an asshole for making it. 10k for MP3 file of a Tom 50k for MP4. Nice. 50k. I like it. I think you should do that animation, like, slowly fade up, in and out, and then again slowly. What animation? What, the video? Oh, look, 92 views. Oh man, let's see, is anybody commenting this? Please do a groove metal version. What the hell's that mean, Gustavo? I like that idea. Oh, the AI pictures? Oh, yeah, yeah. That's just a concept video that I use for the cutscene. Because I'm going to be doing like that. Kind of like still images cutscenes. Comic book style. Go to each scene. Slowly and fade in and out. Yeah, I wanted to do it more like a comic book where you like, you know, it's slowly kind of moving around. I don't like the way I did it where it just goes up. I think that's kind of weird. Or it just goes down. But, yeah, I'm still going to do, like, the zoom in first. Groove metal version. What's groove metal? Now I'm interested. Groove metal, sometimes also called neo-thrash or post-thrash, is a subgenre of heavy metal. What are groove metal bands? I don't know. Groove metal. Side by side. Ends up having a lot of similar qualities and so. New metal. Oh! Like new metal. Okay. Okay. I know new metal, so like Korn and Linkin Park and shit like that. Your address is 123 Orbem Street. Oh, that messed up. 123 Independence Street. Ah, much better. Speaking of Orbem, I discovered a very interesting thing about Orbem. And I'm gonna make it into a catchphrase somehow. And I don't know how. Hand behind your neck? Where? Oh, you're talking about that, the painting? It's not a hand, it's just like a abstract painting my kid did. And the interesting part is that, you know what Orbem backwards is? Let's think about this. So if you put Orbem backwards, I'm trying to pull something to type it. So Orbem backwards is, it's me, bro. Yeah. Yeah. It's me, bro. I was just walking into a mirror because I have my shirt on. And it's so, like, easy to see from afar. And I'm just like, wait a second. I'm like, psh, you know Orbem's already got your back. It's me, bro. I gotta come up with something. I'll come up with a t-shirt design. Orbem, it's me, bro. Remember, Orbem is me, bro. Don't forget that. It's a me. Orbemio. Alright. Hey, Freedom Dow. You lost your site. Oh, hell yeah. Gimme the URL. I want to see it. I've been seeing you stream a lot lately. I haven't been able to jump in, but I know you've been cooking something up. Humoids. I like it. Oh, this is good. I like your text gradient. Ooh. QRS TUV WX Y and Z. I like that. Do I want an account? Oh yeah, look. Let's register. Orbem Order is my account. Go. Orbem Order. Now let's see what we got here. So, get current location. I will allow just this time. Oh, I have it turned off. That's fine. Next. Wait, what? It won't let it work. Why can't I just put the street name? That would probably be a lot easier. System long lat. How do I get my system's long lat? I don't know. Oh. Geolocation denied. I guess I'll have to turn my location on. Alright, let's try again. There we go. Street name. Sure. Vehicle type. Destination. McDonald's. Start scan. Does destination have to be an address? Uh-oh. Here we go. I know, right? Now you guys all know my long and lat. That's okay. Good luck getting here. And when you do come here, there's a fence and 4 dogs waiting for you. Alright, that's my scan. Ooh, play report audio. AI reply. Alright, hazards. No road hazards detected. Moderate debris. Small pieces of tire debris scattered across the right lane. Vehicles pathing indicates a high likelihood of encountering this debris if not avoided. Yeah, these long and lats don't really help me though. Can you like give like addresses? What treats do your dog like? They like human flesh. That's about it. It says high risk means you're gonna either wreck, die, ruin your car, or ruin tires. But what's high risk? Where does it say high risk? Moderate. Oh, if it says high risk. Sorry, I misread you. Got it. Low. Okay. Current traffic flow reveals no severe risk of collisions to Okay, good. Weather impact. Dry and clear skies with no precipitation. Is that true? It was raining earlier. Yeah, I guess we're pretty dry right now. Okay, recommendation. Maintain a steady speed. Stay alert for potential debris in the right lane. Prepare for possible minor evasive actions. Detours. No detours are necessary. Urgency level moderate. Nice. Safe travels to McDonald's. That's cool, man. I'm sure I'm gonna get there with cardboard. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, he's got a cardboard helicopter. It doesn't include helicopter. Oh, but I said car. So if you said helicopter, cardboard helicopter, he'd probably know. That's cool, man.
Road hazard analysis report. 1. Hazards. No immediate road hazards detected that might impact vehicle operation based on the current quantum data scan. 2. Debris location. 1. Latitude 423,231,500. Longitude 837,190,000. Severity.
Okay, good. I could close it. Awesome, man. That's sick. Now Google's gonna have to buy that and put it in their Google Maps. Yeah, that's sick. Whoops. I paused my stream chat, so I gotta scroll. Debris scan says, hi, you're having a bad day. If a quiz is a quizzical, what is a test? A testicle. Burn. Sometimes pedestrians jumping into the path. Get doxxed. But imagine it's already made me safer on the roads. Nice, man. That's cool. Great job. Website looks great too. Super snappy. Oops. Super quick. Let's try again. Bah. Yeah, super fast. I like it. ET's noise. One of the quantum computer systems. That's useful. Most of them not useful. Yeah, I hear you. Somebody on LinkedIn was just asking me about quantum computing and like what my take was it, and I was like, I have zero idea, have any opinion whatsoever, other than Freedom DAO has been doing quantum stuff, which I thought is cool. Yeah. Let's collect our katana. We need a sword. I feel dumb holding this fist. Sweet Japanese weapon. Wah, wah, yeah. Have you ever printed something with 3D printer? Yeah, all the time. Yeah, I have one right next to my desk over here. I do a lot of 3D printing. I just printed a cool PS5 keychain for my wife. I painted it and stuff. And I just printed some new brackets for our dog fence because our retractable dog fence, the dogs broke the old brackets, so I had to print some new ones. And that was pretty cool. So you got a GUI too? Nice. This is working too. Full stack one. Let's see what we got here. A testicle. That's a high quality clip. I love how it keeps going to the screen with my crazy ass face. Imagine like having a smart driving car, self-driving delivery bot. Full stack GUI. Ooh, that'd be cool. Oh, I think we have ads. There's an idea in my head for the last 5 minutes. I have to make it because it's not going out of my head. Nice. 3D printer for your birthday. Got a chance to get one for free. Ooh, yeah, that'd be good. Ads. It's rough looking, but it's basically a full stack chat GPT 01 with quantum. Took me forever to build quantum AI. That's full stack boss. Damn, man. That's cool. You gotta send me that one too. Let's Let's see if we can get the ad monitor.
Hey James, have a good rest. Give my love to Duke.
Schmoop to schmoop schmoop. Stream manager. How's ads going? Ads are done? I think ads are done. Alright, ads are done. What up? You didn't miss much. So, yeah, free 3D printer would be nice. They're pretty cheap these days, though. I mean, you can get the new version of what I have. You can get the new one for the same price. It's $169. Oh wait, we have Freedom Dow here. We need to add his stream avatar. Let's do it. You just woke up at 11, so you're gonna go make some pancakes. Hell yeah, cardboard. Do it, man. Get them those cardboard pancakes. Cardboard pancakes. That's really hard to say. Cardboard pancakes. Cardboard pancakes. Cardboard pancakes. That's really hard to say fast. Cardboard pancakes. Cardboard pancakes. Cardboard pancakes. And go. And let's go. Alright, good so far. And charge attack. Alright. Perfectos. Here we go. What's pizza? Deploy now. Continue with GitHub. Sure. Cupcakes. Authorize. Alright, I'm in. Wait, what? Import Git repository. Install the GitHub application for your accounts. I already have it, don't I? All repositories. Only select. Let's do exercise. I don't know what I'm doing. I just took over your project, I think. Alright, I'll stop. Just start installing your project for you in my own repo. I don't know. It has a button. I'm going to click it. You know what I mean? And it was very inviting. Alright. Let's go fight the boss. Doop. We'll start our boss fight video. Still don't know why the styling is wrong. Did I already solve why that's happening? See, that's like a max width or something? No. Oh, was it the height? What was it? Why is this doing this? The purge. Character. Is it because of this? Oh, it is. It's not supposed to give it a character if it's a video. Oh, I gotta fix that. Uh-oh. The boss has has the dot on his face again. I don't know why it does that. We definitely need to figure that one out. The Faceless One. We call him the Faceless One. Hey, if you're all wondering if there are really cool movies out there that are completely random you've never heard of and you should watch it, I just watched one. It was what was it called? It was called, I don't remember what it was called. What was the name of the movie? Yeah, this isn't going really well. It's cool though. It was about a dude. Oh, Solomon Kane. It was called Solomon Kane. I think it was one of those like direct to stream movies. Hear my walls? That's good. And it was about a dude who was like the ultimate killer in the 16th century. And then he like goes to steal some treasure, but ends up like running into the devil and some reapers or whatever, and now the devil wants his soul, so he like condemns himself to not killing anymore and being peaceful. It's just all about how like the devil's trying to take over, and there's some big twists at the end and stuff, but it's just like pretty well made, pretty good graphics, and the acting's really good, and the fight scenes are pretty cool. So yeah, nice little gem. Sodom Freebie? No, Pluto. One of those free movie places. Okay, is it the Z-index? No. What the nut? Why this over your face? Oh yeah, didn't we say... Yeah, why does it have fill none? And yet it has fill. Let's go back to that purge. I'm pretty sure I already fixed this. Or pulse. Yeah, oh, fill none. Can't do important. Oh, here if we do this. Remember? What do I use as a DB for this small project? I don't know, man. That's the problem with your systems. Like the Vercel or whatever, I don't think they have like just built-in databases like WordPress does. WordPress just has MySQL built in, you know? Like it's part of the usage of WordPress. So I'd say use, get a MySQL database. It's really easy to query, and as long as you keep it clean, it's performant. And you can do DB caching and stuff like that, memcache. But I don't know, maybe you can use AWS too. Just use DynamoDB. You can do straight Redis. I don't know, it depends on what you're doing with the data. It's a good question though. You can just save like an Excel file on your computer. But I think it's just about time. So basically, I will have all the rules for the pizza and have people vote if they agree for that rule or not. Rule? What do you mean rule? Like no pineapple or something? What do you mean by rule? Oh. I saw you send that Freedom DAO, that GitHub link, by the way. I don't want to run it though. I appreciate it. Yeah, I don't know. What are you gonna do with those rules? No pineapple goes on pizza. I like pineapple on pizza. I like the taste, especially with like pepperoni and pineapple. I'm not like a super big fan of hot pineapple, but if it's on cold pizza especially, it's really good. And I think it's good. A little tangy, a little spicy, a little meat. What makes pizza a pizza? I think that makes... Oh, are you talking about that code review I did of the pizza rules? Okay, now I get what you mean. That sounds super useful. Hey, Michigan beat Michigan today. Oh, hey, all you New Yorkers. I'm really sorry, guys. I hope it doesn't hurt. That ass whooping that LA gave you for the second day in a row. I don't want to talk too much trash, but go Dodgers. I'm really sorry. I had to bring it up. But with that, I think we can safely go into whatchamacallit. Scotch time! much better. Whoop. Hey, so you want to see one of my 3D printing projects? So I created a Harry Potter themed pub in the basement, and so I was making all sorts of Harry Potter memorabilia and, you know, like props. And in the Goblet of Fire, there's the actual like Triwizard Cup, and so this is actually really hard. I printed it in like 1,000,000 pieces, and it, you know, it came out pretty good. And then my mother-in-law broke it, so, but this is pretty much it now, if you can see the Triwizard Cup. And this is Pet G. It's translucent. It's a lot more blue than I wanted, but when it lights up, it looks like it. And then you can see the Triwizard or whatever. Yeah, this came off too. There we go. Yeah, and I like drilled a hole through the bottom so the light, because there's also like the base is also translucent. Yeah, I used to do a lot more 3D printing. Something feel off for me? I don't know. What'd I do? I don't think so, other than it's Saturday. And I have not done any deving yet. But for me, my family, something just feels off. Really? Are you starting a joke right now, or are you being serious? I can't tell. It's such a random question. Does something feel off for you? No. Not really. Except for maybe the World Series going my way. I don't know. What's up? What's feeling off? What are you guys feeling? As an interesting thing to feel. Wait, what? What happened? Why is his... Oh no, engage enemies not working. Why? Oh, I forgot. Barrage. You don't know what's feeling off? Weird. I don't know. If you're getting older, maybe you're feeling the late stages of puberty. I don't know. You're becoming a man, Dak dude. That must be it. Your mustache is coming in. Oh, your whole family feels your puberty? That's interesting. It's like emanating from you. Taking over the whole room. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's right. I was gonna... They all feel off. Weird. Huh. I don't know. Is that the Mormon thing, maybe? Something going on in the Mormon world? Let's see. Mormon news. Top stories. Mormon mom gone wrong. No. Maybe. The Ruby Frank story will be premiering on Lifetime. Well, the Ruby Frank story just premiered yesterday at 8 p.m. Did you guys feel a disturbance from her story? Or the incredible shrinking Book of Mormon. Yeah, I don't know. Nothing big other than this random documentary or whatever the hell this is. Okay, we need to detect health. The health of the enemy. Hurt the enemy. So we are going to hurt the enemy. And I need to, if it's a boss, I'll need to set certain criteria, I guess. The best way you can describe it is something feels missing. You feel like you forgot something? I don't know, man. That's spooky. Halloween's coming up. Is it Halloween related, maybe? Did you guys forget to get costumes? Hmm? Because that would be sad. So we got the new health. If it equals 0, kill him. And then if there's no other enemies, right. Save the mission. If there's a mission. I should probably check if there's a mission. I am not checking that. That's something I need to check. Mission. And that. Much better. Good thing I found that bug. And then I need... Yeah, this is for shooter and runner. So if it's gonna be 200 off of 1,000, that's 20%. So I might have to split it up in increments of 20. So there's always gonna be 5 waves. That seems like a lot of waves, so maybe we'll do 250. So there's only 4 waves. I think 4 waves is enough for a boss, right? So in this case, we need to do, okay, the new health. And this is only when you kill someone. So how do we do this? We gotta split it up into 20%. So it'd be what? 25%, 50%, 75%. Right. So we'll do a switch case. And we'll do new health. And then we'll do case. Well, we need to know the starting health, actually. How do we get the starting health? I guess if we get it the first time. Yeah, that's rough. To get the starting health. So wait, where is this? So that's this. So enemy health. Yeah, I need to know the starting health. So let's add that. Let's go. What did we add for him? We added waves. Pulse wave. Data waves, yeah. So we got data health right here. So if we set up a second data point called starting health or health amount, then we'll have the starting amount always. Hey, C Films, what's going on, man? You're doing great. Love that. I love that you start your message with, I'm doing great. I love to know that information right up front. I'm doing great too, man. That's pretty cool. Very, very, very good to see you. Oh, hell yeah. HorrorCon? What's that about? Sounds like fun. HorrorCon. They're everywhere. Frightmare. You went to Washington State HorrorCon? That's today. There's also The Camp. This is probably the one you went to. HorrorCon. Oh shit, Elvira was there? Or is she just presenting it? Photo ops. Who do we got? You can take photo ops with Elvira. Did you get a photo with Elvira? Okay, cool. Good. I gotta hit that stream then because I want to know how it went. Are you on here? Did it take pictures with you? Probably not. That's sick, man. I'm going on your phone? Alright, Duck Dude. I'll see you on the phone, my friend. Okay, so now that we have starting health, enemy full health equals value.get. Oh, data set. Oh no. Data health amount. I think I did it. Let's do it like this so I can use data set. And this can just be data set health. Let's fix the code as we go, why don't we? And this can just be data set genre. I like using data set, it's just cleaner. Very nice, very nice. And this is data set health amount. Perfectos. You found the convention over there? Nice. Washington. Yeah, I didn't see any other horror cons. Everybody else would have had like weird names like The Camp. Which, that could be pretty fun. It's probably like a spooky Friday the 13th kind of style. Alright, so we got in the case that new health. Case we'll put new health divided by hold on, I gotta do math real quick. Divided by 2 would be 50. 3 would be 75. No, that's not true. Times point. So we're starting up high, and then we're going down in health. So if you hit that times 0.75, then... You like math? You like statistics? Yeah, I like math. Very useful in my world. So if you hit that, then we need to get to the next wave. Which, how did I do the wave logic? How did I do wave logic already? I know I put something in place. boss, it takes the wave count. That's right, wave count. So every time you engage with the enemy, it adds the new class. Yeah, but it needs to... It has to... Oh, that's right. I was going to... So let's do this. Update. Boss wave. Alright. So that's the first one. Function update boss wave. And we'll do it like this. Which we need to pass enemy. Cool. And enemy is going to be the actual boss. And then this should work. Switch boss wave type. So every time I hit this function, it should update the boss wave type. Is my guess. Did I put boss wave count in here? Where did I put boss wave count? I think I put it up on the top. Yeah, I think so. Yes, I did. Cool. Alright. Hurt the enemy. So, in the switch case, we'll do that. I mean, it's pretty much just like this every time. Where's the enemy? It's value? Yeah. So yeah, you'll just do this every time. We'll do 75. Oops. I hate when I do that. 75. Let's do 50. And then let's do 25. Cool. And that'll be the last wave. I think this will work. Let's see. It should work. So basically what's happening is if the new health... Oh wait, shit. Not new health. I need this to be enemy full health. Whoops. Almost screwed up right before I started the test. Perfectos. Perfect. Fantastic. Hey, Deck Dude. You got on your phone, so you have emojis. Fantastic. Fantastic. Ads. Wait. I ran out. I'm waiting for ads. Ten more seconds. And we're back. Welcome back, everybody. All right. This should be good now. Let's see if it works. So basically what I'm going to do after I re-sign in for some goddamn reason. So what we're going to do now is I want to see if I can trigger the pulse by killing him enough. So right now it's barrage wave engage, which is cool. But now let's take his health down and see if the pulse wave works. Cool. It worked. Hey, that's pretty cool, huh? Except for it's not killing me. Oh, that's right. Wait, didn't I make that go away? I thought I made the thing go away. Weird. What? You love your ad blocker? Yeah, me too. I love your ad blocker. Let's see. So it makes me have to restart. Let's try again. So the thing is, I don't think I need the trigger anymore. Wait, the trigger's gone. So why did it not work? Yeah, the trigger goes away when you hit it the first time. So right now I'm getting barrage attacked. So yeah, I don't even have a trigger. So why did it not kill me? So if I go pop 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 pop. It's too weak. Wah wah wah. Oh yeah, I gotta fix that too. Go. Wait a second, it didn't work. How come? That's weird. It totally just worked. And now it's not working. Is it because I refreshed? Interesting. 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 Alright, well, let's try again. Oh, you used Tamper Monkey? That ain't an ad blocker. You're just hacking the site. Okay, so here is the trigger. And when I walk into it, it goes away. We're in barrage. And now this should work. So we should do this. +1. 1. So 25% of health +1. And we'll do that with all of these. That way it triggers when you hit that level, not after. Oop. Yeah, this should be working. Explore. This is part of enemy. Oh, crap. I think I screwed that up, maybe. Let's try again. Maybe I typed something without knowing and randomly did that. Go to the website. Oh, the Vercel one? You're watching this on your fridge. Knock knock. Peaches shall be open-faced. Agree or disagree? I disagree with everything you say. I still disagree. I'm also disagreeing. Okay, I'll agree this time. Okay, I agree now. Cool. At least it's easy. Pop, 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 pop. Okay, here we go. Let's try this again. So first off, barrage attack is in full swing, and there is no trigger left. So now, if I try to take his health down using strong attacks. Nothing. Still. What the fuck? Okay. Something's up. Let's find out what. I'm very interested because it literally, you guys saw it, it just worked for me. Who's there? News reporter Rick. News reporter Rick who? Never gonna give you up. Never gonna let you down. Never gonna... You wish you had the link right now? Alright, let's see the health. Pop. 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 Okay. Well, this isn't getting hit. Why not? His health is going down. His health is going down. What the hell? Am I in another dimension? Is this not my website? Who runs this website? Is it not me? 'Cause... There we go. Okay, okay. I have a feeling it's gonna work now. Yeah, right? Bop. Bop. I have to fix the heavy attack, by the way. Doop ba da ba doop ba ba da boop ba ba da boop. I just snoozed ads for 5 minutes. Rickroll Versal app? Yeah, I believe that. Da. Ba. Yeah. And final swipe for the win. Go. I missed. Nope. Well, looky there. Oh. My bad. This is... I'm so dumb. It's supposed to be whether it's more. Okay. So it's not hitting exactly that number, so that's why it's not working. Okay. So yeah, we'll have to do this then. Case. New health is greater than blah. Then it'll do that. And then new health is greater than or equal to. How about that? And then we'll do this. New health is greater than or equal to that. Or new, okay. That should work. They call me Smart Man with a little bit of derp and a whole lot of whoop. That's me. The derpiest of men. Yeah. 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 And yeah. And yeah. And yeah. Still didn't work. If new health is less than or equal to, what is wrong with me? There we go. Let's try that. I guess I could do... I don't need to do this whole spiel then. I mean, I can keep it wrapped, but I don't need to do +1. Try again! You know, this actually doesn't make sense anymore. I shouldn't use a switch case. It should just be an if. If this And then go else if else if oops. Else if derp a derp a derp a derp doop ba doop 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 ba doop ba boop ba ba doop ba ba boop ba ba. You want a road trip? Yeah, it could be fun. Do 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 boop 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 boop. All right. Let's try that out. Stop. You're using Splite with Prisma? What the hell's that? Yeah. 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 I like seeing his health go down. It's still not working. What the fuck? New health is less than or equal to this times 75. I mean, I'm kind of doing it backwards, but this should work. Then update the boss wave. And yet, he refuses. Oh, now it worked. Wait, what? 75% of his full health, which is 1,000, should be... Oh. I'm an idiot. That's 750, not 800. I forgot I was trying to do 4 waves. I was trying to get the 800 for some reason. I still don't get why I have to move in order to die. That's not right. It's also not starting me in the start position when I die, which it should be. Dead. Die. Die. Yeah. So wait, is the starting position not correct here? What are you? Default map. Yeah. 819. 1819. 1890, 1890. Oh. It's still... It started me here, though. Okay, well, let's try this again and see if dying... I mean... Dying is not starting me in the new position. And also, how do I die? You gonna go? Yeah, I think I am too. It's getting pretty late. But I do want to try to fix this bug first. Hi. Okay, bye. Scott Adrian said hi to me. And then bye. See you, dude. PHP Official died. Yeah, he died. So did my stream avatars. I don't know why it keeps dying. Maybe it never came back after Scotch time. Alright, so how come the hazard isn't hurting me? This is the hazard hurt me check. That's always going. Every second. So when do I switch this to true? When I go inside. Oh, but I think I have to walk. That's why. It's not just gonna... No, I don't think I have to walk. Ah, nice. Why are you doing this? As it grows, I shouldn't have to walk. Alright, we'll save this for next time. Let's raid somebody. Doop dop dooba dop boop baba doop bop. I'm gonna raid somebody tonight. Who we gonna raid? Let us raid Seashell. We're gonna give him the time of his life. Thanks, everybody. I'll catch you in the next one. We'll do a Monday stream. And you have an amazing rest of your weekend. I will see you very soon. Goodbye.
Kind of does look like a pretty fast transition. Let's see if this helps. See if this looks a little bit better. Hey, Orbem. Appreciate the raid. Hey, PHP Official. How's it going? Yes, so I have my shadows turned down right now, Lunatic, just while I'm doing this. But yeah, I'll, nice